Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use all controls in your MARSHALL KILBURN III. So, here we do have, as you can see, the volume slider, and with this we can increase, like that, and decrease, like that, to the left, the volume level. The same is with the bass. To the left we can decrease, to the right increase, and the same is with the treble. To the left decrease, to the right increase. Here we do have the Marshall logo, and clicking this logo button we can change the equalizer preset from the default one, which is the Marshall, to the one either created or preset. Here we can move some of the previous ones and the next ones. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.